So anytime you guys are fishing a team event, just to start off, it's always great to do two different techniques. Seth's starting with that buzz bait, I'm flipping a creature bait, and that way you can try to break down that water a little bit faster. And then once you get more dialed in, if you get into a bait that they're just really smoking, then you can both go ahead and switch to that. But you're way more efficient trying different things. I mean, we only got 3 to choose from, but we're still going to be doing different things until we dial it in.